Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining my channel. This is Rocky. Happy Sunday. So listen, I know you saw the last vlog that I did about my impromptu trip across the country from Chicago to Oakland. But I didn't show you the things that I purchased while I was there. So I want to kind of just dive into those things, give you a little sneak peek into what I got, and show you a little something more. So let's get right into it. Before I actually get into the actual haul stuffs, I want to show you one of my favorite brands, which is Dossier Perfume. They do more than just perfume. They do things for the home as well. They do now the diffusers, the room diffusers, they do candles, as well as the perfumes. And in their perfumes, they do dupes of designer and luxury brands, as well as their own unique line of fragrances, which is awesome. Today, I want to show you just a couple things. I'm going to be very brief and keep it quick, but I absolutely love it. So that's why I always take a minute to tell you about it when I buy something new or get something new. I actually decided to go back and get another one of these Le Labo Rose 31 candles. Again, very hefty, weighty candle. This is a 14-ounce candle, worth every penny because it smells exactly like the fragrance. And I have one now in my bathroom. So I just love for my house to smell just rich and elegant. And these do just the trick. It smells just like Le Labo Rose 31. So if you like a masculine rose, if that's how I'll describe it, if you like a masculine rose fragrance, this is for you. So the other thing that I got, which is super popular, maybe it is still popular. I don't know if it's still popular, but it was very popular at one time. This one is a dupe of the Maison Francis Kurkdjian Baccarat Rouge 540 or MFK BR 540, if you don't want to say all of that. But they call it Ambery Saffron, so I decided to go for a dupe of that this time around. The dupes now, this is so popular, and the dupes have been out for so long. Like, they have perfected the fragrance spot on. So if you've been wanting to try it for a while now, just haven't done it, go for it. In addition to that, there's a couple hacks I want to share with you. Because you know me, you can get a discount, 10% off your order using the code Rocky10. But also, Dossier has a really cool thing that they do. The more that you buy, the more that you save. So if you buy 3 or more, so if you buy 3 things, you get a certain amount off. I think it's 4 things, 5 things. The more you buy, the higher the discount. So I would say go for it. Go and test some of these things out. I think you'll find some signature scents and some wonderful things for your home. Go ahead and try it. But let's get into the birthday stuff. So one of the things I've shared with you before, well, every year, I think I share this around my birthday month, is that the best thing to do is sign up for rewards programs with these stores. Every year they'll give you a really wonderful, coupon or discount or something just to celebrate your birthday, or they actually give you free things. So I'll do things like sprinkles cupcakes. They'll give you a free cupcake for your birthday. Kate Spade gives you a free something. It's either earrings or a pendant or a brooch or something really cool. But everybody has something, and I haven't been able to get around to collect all of my goodies this year. So when I was out in Oakland, we happened to go to the Berkeley area, and there was a nice little shopping district there, and I was able to get a few of my things. So the very first thing I got was this really cool, I had a choice of things that I could have selected, but from Sephora. So go ahead and sign up for Sephora. In addition to regular coupons and discounts and sales for insiders, you will get something free on your birthday. And I chose to get this hair care kit from the brand Way. Is O-U-A-I. So you tell me if I'm saying it wrong or not, but I think it's Way. You get in here shampoo, conditioner, body cleanser, and a perfume. So there's 4 things in here. Hopefully I did a cutaway so that you could see, but yeah, you get 4 things in here, and that's a very generous, it's pretty weighty, very generous gift. Then I went over to Aveda. I've been a long time Aveda customer since undergrad, and they give a nice free gift, a full-size gift for your birthday. You get to pick any of their composition oils. My favorite is the beautifying, so I did pick this up as my free gift. But also, what I love about going into Aveda, above and beyond the delicious tea that they give you for free, is that they always have samples. They're always trying to introduce you to what's new or something you may not have considered using. And so they gave me tons of generous samples. One of the samples was the Nutriplenish shampoo and conditioner. Then they gave me a sample of Botanical Repair, the intensive mask. And then lastly, I got this Invati. The fact that they give you a sample so you can kind of get a feel for if it's something that you love, I think is great. And then they give you a birthday card with, you know, some information about their products, but it's a happy birthday to you. So nonetheless, that's what I got from Aveda as a free gift. So then I remembered, I looked around the corner and there was Anthropologie. I remember that they gave me a wonderful coupon to use as a, you know, against anything in the store, but they already had an additional discount on clearance. So their rule is that they won't stack. So they won't do a sale on sale on sale. So they only do sale on sale, if that makes sense to you. But I did find the most adorable dress. If I have the wherewithal to try this on, I will, and do a cutaway as we're talking. But this is more of like an athletic kind of a thing. It reminds me of like a tennis dress. The style of it, it's an A-line, it's short, it has pockets. It's made of like a thin sweatshirt material. And then I love that it has this cutout here in the back. The original price on here was $108. They had reduced it to $69.95, and they took 40% off, which brought it to, drum roll please, $41.97 before tax. So just about $42. So from $108 to $42, not bad. And this is something that I will wear on heavy rotation. I love an A-line dress, and it has pockets. The next few things are jewelry items that I want to show you. While we were in that same little Berkeley shopping area, I did stop into Madewell because they gave me a birthday coupon to use. It's $25 off a purchase of $26 or more. And I found this beautiful necklace. It was $38, but this beautiful necklace, I'm going to have to do a cutaway because you won't be able to see the detail of it. It's a very heavy chain, and it's in silver. And this medallion is more of like almost like a crystal magnifying glass in a way, but I'll have to show it to you up close so you can kind of see the details. I went out the house that day without a necklace. I kind of felt naked, so it worked out perfectly, so I can just grab something and put it around my neck. I'm not wearing one today because this kind of is pierced and I don't want to have it competing, but I keep hitting this. But that's the only reason why I don't have one on today. But yeah, this I thought was perfect, and I got a discount. So I think once it was said and done, it was like $13, $38. Yeah, I think it was $13. So this was really, really cute. And thanks Madewell for, that was generous, $25. The next thing I got it from an antique store. When I walked up to the antique store, this piece called my name from the window. We shopped around the store a bit. We looked at all these really cool items, but my mind just kept going back to this piece that was in the window. If you didn't know this about me, I am a lover of brooches. Like I will have like plain sweaters, plain blazers, jackets, whatever. And it doesn't really have to be plain. It's just something that I want to add a pop of something unique. Brooches are the perfect way to do that. And I saw this one and it caught my eye. I'm going to have to do a cutaway so you can see it in beautiful detail. I can't remember the name of the stones. I know this in the, I feel like this one here in the middle is an emerald. And these, what is the name? It starts with a P. If I remember it, I'll put it on the screen. But it's very unique piece to me. Very cute, eye-catching. Look at the shine on this. So it had to come home with me ASAP, right away, no question. Go put in cart now. But it wasn't in cart. I put it like on my lapel, walked out the store with it on. If you saw my vlog, you would have seen it on my blazer that day. But this is the piece. And so I've got to think of, you know, where exactly I want to wear it, but this is gorgeous. The last piece hasn't come in yet. I'm expecting it either today or tomorrow. It's a piece that I got custom made with Rocky on there, and it just, I've been wanting a better nameplate necklace for the longest. I got this one from the brand Dorado. It took a while to order and get here, and it still isn't here. So, because it's custom made, right? So it takes a while for them to produce it and send it along. So I did get it with Rocky, and I loved, you know, that it was sort of a raised 3D effect to the nameplate. And it's definitely going to get a lot of wear. I'm sure you've seen me wear my initial necklaces. Anything that I have that's custom, I wear quite a bit. I absolutely love things like that. So you will definitely see this one on heavy rotation in my OOTDs and my shorts and all of the things that I do. And some of these videos, you'll see it too. But this one is definitely a piece. If you are interested in getting something custom made, I would recommend Dorado to just look at it and see what catches your eye, if anything. But I would definitely recommend it. So I think that brings us to the end. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. I would love to hear what your favorite thing was today. Go ahead and put that down in the comments down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share it with your friends. Bye.